let's take a look at this example. We're supposed to find out the truth table of this circuit again. Like always, we're supposed to find the number of combinations which you can apply to these inputs. Number of combinations is equal to n, where n represents the number of inputs or variables. We have 3 of them, a, b, c. 2 to the 3rd power is equal 8. We have 8 different combinations which can be applied to these inputs. That's why I'm going to write a, b, c. Remember, a is my least significant bit. Eight combinations. My first combination is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 8 combinations from 0 to 7. Next, you're supposed to find the Boolean expression at the output of your circuit. We have A, and I'm going to have A not over here. I have B, B not over here. I'm going to have C over here. This is NOR gate. I'm going to have A not, NOR, B not. And over here I'm going to have B not, C not. Because I have NAND gate. This is B not, NAND C. B not, NAND C. At the output of my circuit, I'm going to have A not, B not, exclusive, NOR, B not, C not. I'm not going to simplify the output. I'm going to just find the truth table for the function like it is at the output, just to practice. Next, I'm supposed to write the different expressions than ABCs in my table. So different variable than A, B or C is A naught. A naught. And A naught is complement of A. So it means if A is equal 0, not A is going to be 1. 1 is going to give me 0, 0 is going to give me 1, 1 is going to give me 0, 0 is going to give me 1, 1 is going to give me 0, 0 gives me 1, and 1 gives me 0. This is my column A naught. Next, I have B naught. B naught is different than ABCs. This is complement of my column B. So when I have 0, my B naught is going to be 1. When I have 1s, I'm going to have 0s. Again, when I'm going to have 0s, I'm going to have 1s. And when I have 1s, I'm going to have 0s. This is my column B naught. Next, I have NOR of A naught, B naught. A naught, NOR, B naught. NOR gate. NOR gate, please keep in mind, has high on the output when both inputs are low. I have two highs, so this is going to be 0. I have 0, 1. This is going to be 0 because for NOR gate, you're supposed to have two zeros in order to get high on the output. For 1, 0, I'm going to have 0. 0, 0 will give me 1 for the NOR gate. 1, 1 is going to give me 0. 0, 1 is going to give me 0. 1, 0 is going to give me 0, and 0, 0 gives me 1. This is the column A not nor B not. Next, I have B not NAND C. I have B not NAND C. The truth table for the NAND gate says that we are going to have high when we have at least 1 0. Just write this down. NAND gate, we have A, B, we have 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. The truth table for the NAND gate says anytime we have 0, output becomes 1. Anytime we have 1 1, output is 0. This is the NAND gate. Many people are confused about it. That's why I wrote this on the side. And I have B not NAND C. B not NAND C. 0 1 is going to give me 1. 0 1 gives me 1. 0 0 gives me 1. 0 0 gives me 1. 1 1 gives me 0. 1 1 gives me 0. 1 0 gives me 1. 1 0 gives me 1. This is my column B not nor C. Now I'm supposed to find the final expression. I have A not, B not, nor, exclusive nor, B not, C not, not. I have exclusive nor. The truth table for exclusive nor says XNOR, we have A, B, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 1. Anytime we have the same inputs, output is 1. Anytime we have different conditions on the input, output is going to be 0. So I have 0 1 gives me 0. 0 1 gives me 0. 0 1 gives me 0. 1 1 gives me 1. 0 0 gives me 1. 0 0 gives me 1. 0 1 gives me 0. 0 1 gives me 0. 1 1 gives me 1. And these are all possible output conditions for this circuit. And this column is called the truth table for this circuit.